Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week's video, I'm doing a night routine. I asked you guys on my stories what you guys wanted to see for this week's video, and so many of you guys said you guys wanted to see either a morning routine or a nighttime routine. So I'm going to do a night routine with you guys today, quarantine edition, because a few things have changed since I'm home now. So I have more time to cook dinner, to go on walks and stuff like that. So I'm going to take you guys along with me as I get ready for tonight. So it's already 7:20, and this is normally when I get started with my routine. So if I'm working during the work week, I unwind and close everything by 7 p.m. So I had a pretty chill day today. I didn't have too much of a workload. All I did was shoot some content, edit some stuff, and then respond to a few emails. So I don't feel too stressed out, which is good. So all I'm going to do right now is go for a walk, and then my sister's going to come over, and then my cousins are going to come over. So we're just going to sit down, hang out, chill, and then probably cook dinner together. So I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can, but I know a lot of my family members don't like being on camera, which I totally understand and respect. So I'll try to get as much as I can, but if I don't, then I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs, get ready for our walk, and then I'll take you guys along with me for the rest of my night. Hi guys, so step number one to my nightly routine is doing a short walk around the neighborhood. I normally like to do a 30-minute walk, but today I'm gonna cut it short because my nephews came over and I need to go back inside. So I normally just walk around the neighborhood. Usually I do it alone. So during this time I listen to either a podcast or a lecture. I've been really enjoying some Islamic lectures, so if you guys are interested, I'll link them down below. Just kind of getting in the mood and prepping myself for Ramadan. So yeah, okay, I had to do a little detour on my walk. Come back home to pick up this little guy. Hi! Are you so cute? Hi! So my dad was watching both my nephews, and he couldn't handle it because this one was crying up a storm. So I had to come back and pick one up. So I don't know how I'm going to get this walk in with him on my hip, but we're going to try. Okay? Are you excited? You're not excited? Oh no! Okay, maybe I'm going to have to cut my walk short today. It's recording.
Hello guys, we're going to play, then we're going to go in the camera then. Then see you all, bye.
Oh. Okay, why don't you not touch the camera and you can just play with your toys? What happened? So on most nights, my sister comes over and so do my nephews, so part of my routine is just playing with them, and this one is acting so crazy.
Assalamualaikum. Isa Baba.
My mom just came home. What about this one?
That one is bad. That one is bad.
We're in the kitchen now cooking dinner. So we're barbecuing chicken. This is what it currently looks like. What did you marinate it with? What's in there?
Barbecue sauce and chicken chili powder and tandoori masala.
Tandoori masala? That's it? Okay, I'm going to quickly make a salad. I'm going to put you guys down here. Really bad angle, but there's so many people behind me that are walking and they don't want to be filmed. So I'm going to put it down here. I'm just making a really simple salad. It's just kale, a tomato, lemon juice for the dressing with some olive oil, and then I'm going to just put it in here. So. just finished making the dressing for the salad. Super simple. It's just oil, black pepper, salt, and lemon. I kind of went overboard with the black pepper, but whatever. And then here's the salad. So I'm just gonna pour this on top and then give it a good toss. Here's the salad. It doesn't look that appetizing, but it's actually really good. Normally I make this salad with like parsley or spinach, but we just didn't have any, so I'm just using kale. The chicken turned out so good. I actually shredded mine and put it in 2 buns, and I'm gonna eat it like a burger, and I have my LaCroix with me.
I see something up there. I see something up there.
You see what?
Something.
You see what?
There's a box.
You want the box? So I'm back upstairs now, just finished up with dinner, and I'm so exhausted, you guys. Like, can you see my makeup is like running down on my face? I'm so tired. I don't know why. Actually, I know why, because I haven't been sleeping well at night. So I'm gonna start unwinding and getting ready for bed. Normally at this time, what time is it? It's actually really late. It's 9:30, and my sister and my cousin just left, so yeah, I was just hanging out with family. I couldn't record that. Normally part of my night routine is like going on a walk, coming home, cooking dinner, eating dinner with my family, and then obviously hanging out with them, but I couldn't record it because not everyone was wearing hijab, and then a lot of people didn't want to be on camera, so I couldn't show you guys that, but just know it was part of my routine. And now I'm back upstairs. I'm gonna get ready for bed, take off my contacts, take off my makeup, put on my glasses, which is like my favorite part of the day. Oh my god, it feels so good. I don't know why. Does anyone else feel like super drained with contacts? I feel like my eyes are so tired when I wear contacts. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take off my makeup and then do my night routine with you guys. And then I'm gonna grab some tea and then work a little. I know it's pretty late. It's 9:30, but yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit of work done. Probably just like 30-40 minutes on my computer, at least something, and then I'll take you guys along with me for the rest of the night. I do want to change and get into pajamas, but then I can't. I don't know what to do. Should I put a hijab on? Hijab is so annoying. I'm gonna go ahead and just put on some pajama bottoms, but I'll keep this hoodie on. And I'm dressed for bed. I look like a hot mess. I already have on like my sleeping shirt underneath as well. So this is what I'm going to bed in. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to just keep my hoodie on. So now I'm going to go wash my face, which is also the second best part of the day always, is taking off my contacts because I hate wearing contacts. And then taking off my makeup. It feels so good. So let's go. I hope that doesn't fall. Okay, I'm gonna go in, wash my face. I use this First Aid Beauty Cleanser. You guys have seen me use this 5,000 times on my Instagram and YouTube. So I normally just double cleanse with this to take off my makeup and then to wash my face just to like clean it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I don't have any like crazy skincare routine. This is pretty much all I use. And then I'm gonna obviously brush my teeth. So this is kind of hard to do with like a hoodie on. It feels kind of gross. Just got done washing my face. That was seriously so hard with like my hoodie on. Felt kind of gross, honestly. But okay, so I'm done washing my face, and now I'm going to do my skincare routine for the night, which is also really simple. I don't have that many things that I put on, so I'm going to go in with my favorite moisturizer. You guys have probably seen this 100 times too. It's the Caudalie by No Source. So I like to lather like a really thick layer of this on, and then I just go in with my eye cream, which is the Skin Caviar Eye Lift by La Prairie. So it's this guy. I'm going to go in with this. I like to put like a really thick layer on. And then I like to like only blend half of it in. I don't know why. It's like this really weird thing that I like to do. Like, I like to like blend it in only halfway. because I feel like I put a lot on. So I'm gonna blend this in. I probably should have put a small amount on since I'm still filming. I don't want to sit here like with a white face. Why did I do this? I don't know. Now that my lotion is blended in, I'm going to put a little bit of eye cream under my eye. This is probably a terrible angle, but just put a little under my eye and a little on my lid. That's pretty much it. I'm ready for bed. It is 10 p.m. It's pretty late. I don't know. Should I work? Yeah, I think I'm going to just get on my laptop and at least edit this vlog. So I'm going to work for about 30 minutes before I pray Isha and then head to bed. I do want to show you guys my nightly supplements that I take. So this is just to help, like if you have acne or anything. Zinc helps to kind of speed up the healing process. And then I have my multivitamins, which I recently just ran out of, so I don't have any more of that, but I always take that at night as well. And then recently I've been using the Daily Cleanse from Hum Nutrition, so I'm just taking all 3 of these, and I take my probiotics in the morning. So I'm going to just have that with a full bottle of water right before bed, just to make sure that I'm hydrated and got all of the water I need in right before going to bed. I just got in bed, prayed, I finished up my work, and now I'm going to quickly read Surah Al-Mulk before I go to bed. I try to read this every single night. Some nights I forget. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm so exhausted. I'm going to quickly read this and then go to bed. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!